are cordially invited to my slumber party tonight. Just be sure that you're at the door when no one else is in sight. I knew from the moment that I met you that our souls would intertwine. So maybe when we're alone in bed, it won't be such a crime. If you tiptoe tonight, you'll be my undercover teddy bear.